Alright, here's the second head, this Peach truck. We're gonna go ahead and keep, I'll have to put them together, edit the videos, but man, that ain't gonna cut it. Add another one. What's that gonna make it?
That won't make it 9. It's just gonna take it out. It'll make it. This will be 3.
Right now.
Yeah, right now.
4 or 5.
Yeah, make it 3, 4, 5.
Or 6.
We'll make it 6. Yeah, some more.
It is worse than it. I got a scratch on it. Driver's side was worse. I'd have to look. I can't remember which one is which.
Did you drive this in or is it? No.
Ran fine.
Yeah. I didn't know I broke that gas.
Degas pressure. Yeah. It's probably it's gonna start cutting a lot here in a second. Thick. I guess it ain't that bad on the end, just that right hand side warped up, huh? Yeah, these ones are so touchy, man. Let's see.
You gonna go stick them back on tonight?
I got the JPW brought me the studs, so now I'm buying.
Who brought them to you? Nicole?
No,
Heather?
Guy. Matt. Yeah. Suburban?
Yeah.
Brought me all kinds of all kinds of stuff because it was first time they did. Well, I think it was the first time they delivered out there. Wow. Well, it's close. I wonder if I can focus anymore.
We got one more pass.
Maybe, huh?
It's gonna be 8.
Maybe 7?
6?
How much is this? Well, you changed it.
Yeah, 1, 7, 5. No, dude, this is 4.
I can't remember.
Yeah, it'd be 4 probably.
4 right now.
If it cleans it up next pass, I'm gonna run a fast pass too, but I'm gonna stop it next pass down. Run one pass. If it cleans it, well, then I'll do a fast pass, and that'll be 6. That'd be 7. So.
I don't know what I'll edit.
It zeroes it out. Watch. It'll clean it up now. It's taking a little bit off that time. You know, when it says it's taking that long, sometimes it ain't. It's taking it half. You're good, you're 16.
Hit this one pass and then a fast pass right after this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And that'll put me at, that's going to take it. Let's check the recession. Yeah, this one will be the fast pass. I think, right? Yeah. Oh, don't even have the video showing the right spot. Cleaned it up. It's probably going to be 8, isn't it? Or 7. 7?
Yep. There you go.
Last one.
Yep.
All right. All we're going to show is that first one right there. And I'm going to cut the video off. Because if it clears that one, it'll clear the rest of them. It's clear right now. It's good enough. We just got to do that high-speed pass so it cleans up that surface. Taking 7 thousandths off of this one and 6 thousandths off the other one. Here it comes. Yeah. That'll do it. We'll do a couple more seconds. They were warped though. They were warped pretty bad. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut it off. But that's it.